Sales orders are obviously a critical part of every business out there. Today, in this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through how to create, manage, ship, release, and confirm sales orders within Dynamics 365 Business Central. We're looking at the home screen or the Role Center page for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today, in this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through the end-to-end life cycle of a sales order, all the way from the process of creating that order, releasing the order, shipping the order, and then finally invoicing the sales order. From here, I can quickly click my favorites, which I have stored sales order on. It will take me to a screen where I can see all of the open and released sales orders I currently have within the system. I can see things like the sales order number, the customer name, the location we'll ship out of, the current status of that order. Is it opened or released? Have we shipped that order yet? Have we packed the inventory? When is it supposed to ship? All sorts of information. You do have the ability to easily and quickly hide and add fields as well, utilizing the personalize function. From here, I could just hide the order category field. Maybe I want to actually move around some fields. I'd actually like to see status over here before my location. I can quickly drag and drop that here. And then I always have the ability to add any field that I'd like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click the new button here. And this is going to take me to a blank sales order. The first thing you're going to want to do is enter in your customer name. So I'm going to utilize, that was my customer number. I'm going to enter my customer name of Trey Research, and it's going to quickly pull in all of that customer's information. So things like the customer number, their default ship to address, their email, their contact. We'll see document date, posting date, order date, due date. We can add dates like requested delivery, promised delivery, all sorts of fields. The next step will actually be adding your items. So in this example here, we're going to add some of the demo data within Dynamics 365 Business Central. We'll use our Athens desk, and we'll utilize the Paris guest chair black. I'm going to go ahead and put in my quantities. So in this scenario, we'll just be shipping one of each. Perfect. So from here, we can now see that actually I've gotten a warning that the available inventory for the 1900S is lower than the entered quantity at this location. I could quickly show details to see and understand that my available inventory is less than necessary. I could create a purchase order to add inventory, or I could just go to my item card and actually manually adjust inventory from here. So in this scenario, I'm just going to quickly add some inventory so we're able to actually ship out this sales order. Perfect. Great. So now we can see that that has been removed, our warning. And if I scroll over here to the right, we can see our available inventory is now in the positive. So from here, what we will do is we'll actually release that sales order to our customer, letting them know that the order has been confirmed, and we'll be moving forward with the order. The next step can go several different directions. We can do things like directed picks, so it actually tells our warehouse workers where to go and pick the items from. We could look at utilizing a warehouse shipment, or we could simply just go ahead and hit post and ship an invoice. In this scenario, you'll see that I get a warning because I actually have warehouse shipments set up. So I am actually going to go ahead and manually create a warehouse shipment. This allows my warehouse team to understand that we will be shipping out these two items, and then they need to go pick the items. Once they've gathered the items, they've set them up to be shipped, and everything's ready to go. It's as simple as just going and hitting post shipment. We have the ability to just ship or ship an invoice. In most scenarios, you're going to go ahead and invoice upon shipment. So that's what we'll do here today. I've gone through the shipping and invoice process. Everything is posting, and you'll see that the number of source documents posted was 1 out of 1, and the ship lines are been completed. From here, we've gone through that end-to-end life cycle of a sales order, and everything's good to go. I hope you've enjoyed the demonstration today. If you have any questions or need additional information, please just contact us here at Volt Technologies. Thank you.